What's good with the YouTube fam, man? It's your boy Dez and we back with another freaking video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there, cause y'all know me, man. I'm blessed by the best, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling wonderful, man. It was a gloomy day out, so I decided to put this jacket on, man. It got down. This jacket actually an exact reference to what the damn sky look like right now, man. It look bad, bro. But this jacket look good, but outside it don't look too good, man. But anyway, family, man, this gonna be a different type of video. I never did nothing like this before in my life. Never on my history of YouTube, I never did nothing like this. But I figured since this is the 2.0 experience, I want to kind of like give y'all me, bro. This is me right here. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of like want to show y'all behind the scenes of who I really am and the things that I'm really interested in behind the scenes, right? I mean, y'all know me as Sneakerhead Dez, bro. Like, you know, doing the shoe reviews, the clothing, lookbooks, and, you know what I'm saying, shoe tutorials and clothing tutorials and all that type of stuff. But I never really just got into actually telling y'all or showing y'all who I truly am. Like, the shoes, that's me. That's like a layer of me, but it's like, it's deeper, bro. Y'all probably didn't know I played football in high school, did it? The whole point is, right, I got a whole life, bro, behind shoes and clothes and all that other stuff, bro. Like, it's a total different, I ain't gonna say it's different, but it's a layer. It's a whole nother layer you gotta peel back to, you know what I'm saying, to reveal who I really am and get to know the things that I really like and the stuff that I'm really into. So with that being said, family, man, I got a special treat for y'all today. Y'all see the freaking title of this video, man, how to make herbal capsules, bro. Look, I've been into herbs for a minute now, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dr. Sebi. Dr. Sebi, bro, my greatest mentor, bro. At this point, my greatest mentor. He taught me all about food, nutrition, life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Elevating your life, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he put me in a whole different perspective of how we live today as humans, bro. Especially in the United States, bro. How we living, how we eat, how we treat our bodies and things like that, bro. And it's just, I don't know, he kind of put me in a whole different perspective of what true health and vitality is, bro. Like, what it really means to be truly healthy, dog. Like, and it really caught my attention, bro. I was so amazed when I heard him, like, speak about the stuff. And me, I'm already, like, a deep thinker, dog. Like, my third eye is completely open, like, bro. And really, the things that he talk about just kind of, like, confirmation of the stuff that I already thought about. I'm like, damn. Food do this to you? Like, why do I feel like this after, you know, I was just questioning myself on why I felt certain ways on, you know what I'm saying? Just why I felt certain ways on, and after I did certain things, and he just kind of confirmed it. I heard him, it was like, wow, bro. This is why I've been feeling like this the whole time. Anyway, guys, enough of me rambling on about my experiences and how I got into this, man. I'm here to teach y'all how to make some goddamn herbal capsules. Are you ready? First things first, family, man, you want to get you a capsule filling machine, right? Capsule filling machine pretty much is what puts your capsules together. It binds your herbs inside the capsules, right? This capsule machine right here is actually a capsule machine from Herb Affair. It's called CapsuleIt. You can check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description below. By the way, they not sponsoring me for this video, so you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, throw your boy some goddamn for, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, man, the best way to do this is to get you a capsule filling machine. Doesn't have to be this one, but definitely get you a capsule machine if you look to actually get into making your own herbs. I really don't know no other way to do it. If you got some other ways to do this, man, comment down in the comments below, bro. I want to hear it, man, because I don't know no other way to make capsules like that without a machine. So definitely comment everything you got down below. I want to know. But if you don't have a capsule filling machine, bro, look, this thing cost me like $45, $45 to $50, man, pretty cheap, bro. Especially, look, if you actually into herbs and things like that, dog, you gotta get you a capsule filling machine, bro. Natural herbs, whatever the case, natural healing, definitely recommend it. I recommend it to you, man. Get you a capsule filling machine, man. It's a whole lot quicker though. Just buy you a capsule machine and just buy the herbs separate. You can do them a whole lot quicker and you can make a whole lot more, save you a whole lot more money and time, dog. Like, I swear. This thing fill up 100, bro. 100 capsules at one time, dude. You know how much you pay for 60 herbs in a capsule? You gonna pay about $50. Depending on the herb you buy, you're gonna be paying some money for it, bro. So it's best to just buy the herbs separate and get you a capsule filling machine. Get you some capsules. Get these just offline, depending on how big you want them, 000, 000, all that. These 00 right here, but definitely get you a capsule machine and some goddamn capsules, right? Dog, it saves you so much money just to do it on your own. I swear for cheese and crap. Anyway, family, man, we're finna get into capsuling up some herbs, man. I got this burdock root right here. You know, used it a little bit. Burdock root, a heavy hitter. You know what I'm saying? I haven't capsuled any burdock root yet, so I'm excited. I'm excited to actually try some burdock capsules, man, because I never tried them before. I only tried the tea. So we finna get into it, man. Let's do it. Alright, boom. So you got your body for your base. This is the piece that pretty much hold everything together. This next piece is called the frame plate. This pretty much ensures that your capsules all go in the right slots. What you want to do next is to place your frame plate on top of the body. Alright, boom, you did that, right? Next, you want to grab 100 or however many capsules your encapsulator hold. You want to grab however many. Me, I'm going to grab 100 capsules. Next, you want to separate the capsules. The large part being the body and the smaller part being the cap. Oh yeah, it's also essential that you have a place where you can separate the caps and the bodies of your capsules so you won't get them mixed up, you won't lose them. Preferably a small bowl or something like that, but me, I put my caps in the box itself. Next, you're going to take the large body of your capsules and put them on the framing of the encapsulator. You're going to place each one of your capsules right side up. Right side up meaning if you were to place herbs on the scale right now, they slide right in the hole. I know some of yours may have fell the opposite way. It's cool. Chill out. All you got to do is take the framing off and flip the capsule right side up. Easy money. Alright, boom. So you got all your capsules in the slot correctly. Everything cool. Now we got all that taken care of. Now we gonna replace the frame plate with the spill guard.
Here's the moment you've all been waiting for.
Alright, boom. So the next step you want to take is to get a measuring cup. Me, I got a half a cup, but you can go whatever size you like. Just try to make sure you don't pour too much or too little of herbs on the platform, because you can pour too much. Just go with your own judgment. If you gotta pour more, pour more. Next is this piece called the spreader, right? This what you gonna divide all your powder into your capsules with on the platform. Remember how Auntie and them used to do back in the 80s? They spread it out and divide it up. Yes, sir, skate. Just like that right there. Alright, this next piece is called the tamper, which is used to push all your herbs down in the slot so you can add more herbs to your capsules. Now you want to repeat the process with your spreader and make sure you get all the herbs inside every capsule. What you want to do next is you want to replace the spill guard with the capping plate and put the frame plate on top of that. Next, you want to get all the caps to your capsules and place them on a framing plates platform just like you did the bodies. Remember, all your caps not gonna fall in the right position, so you may have to shake it a little bit or manually put them in position yourself. So after you got that situated, you want to take the framing plate off and replace it with the middle plate. When that middle plate get on top of that capping plate, then you're gonna be able to flip that bad boy over. Trust me, when you pick that thing up and flip it over, it ain't gonna mess up none of your work. Everything gonna be cool. And lastly, you're gonna press down on it with a little force. Make sure that you press down on it evenly to ensure all your capsules are good and they tight. Then boom! Congratulations, you know how to make capsules at the house. But yeah, family, man, if you guys enjoyed the freaking video, man, y'all make sure y'all hit that freaking thumbs up, and y'all also subscribe to the channel if you're new, you know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell to get notified for whenever your boy drop, cause boy, we lit. It's all I can get, man, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I hope this video wasn't too long. I normally don't do tutorials. This is my first time ever doing a tutorial like this. Hope I did good on this jump, man. I hope I can edit it up and everything and be cool. Y'all be able to understand pretty much everything that I said in the video, man, because I ain't gonna lie, man. It was a tough one, you know what I'm saying? It was difficult trying to do all that type of stuff. Navigate, you know what I'm saying? Do it like an actual, bro. It was tough, bro. You know what I'm saying? It was tough. But anyway, man, like I said, I hope you liked the video, man, and more to come, definitely more to come, man. We trying to be more spontaneous, bro. I'm trying to bring y'all a whole lot of stuff, bro. A whole lot of content, bro. A whole lot of different stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Pretty much whatever I come to mind with. Comment down below some things you think I should, you know what I'm saying, get into, some things I should talk about. Anything you want to hear my opinion on, anything, like, bro, comment down below. My experiences, bro, it's all about the 2.0 experience, so comment down below anything you got. But like I say, y'all, I done talk too much, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next freaking video.